Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I apologize for the feedback or the echo. I got my speakers on, and for some reason, about 2 months ago, when I got a Windows update, it now rebroadcast my audio when I'm recording to my speakers. So I normally unplug it, but I got them plugged in so you can hear the audio from what I'm going to be showing you. And what it is, this morning I turned on my tablet, and on my tablet I have a program running called Scanner Radio, and it normally runs in background, and I usually mute the audio. But while it's running in background, if there is a large number of people listening to a particular radio on the internet, it will send you a message and say, hey, there's 5,000 people listening to this radio. And of course, what you want to do is go see what it's about, because something's happening. Well, what's happening is these fires in Australia that are just unbelievable. They've been raging for months and months, and they're saying that they're not going to stop anytime soon. And here's some information. This is just one of the websites that had a article on it. And look at that. There it is. That gives you a good picture. Look at all the fires. But anyway, so I listened to that Scanner Radio on my tablet for a while, and it was extremely busy. And they are really fighting these fires with lots and lots of problems. You can see them just all over the place. My heart goes out for those people in Australia. This has got to be just devastating. And fires are just, they can really change your life. Anyway, you can listen to this on your computer by going to radioreference.com. You click on live audio, and you come down here to top 50 audio feeds, which means these are the radios on the internet that have the most listeners right now. So you click on that, and then it shows you a list, and you can see one that's sticking out right here, 4,509 listeners right at this moment. And so you can click on this, and it will show you all the radios in that area. And there's one right down here. This is the RFS. I don't know what RFS stands for, but I guess it's their search and rescue or whatever fire service. So you can click on this play button right here, and it will start playing.
Oh, I see. He's asked to go down to this thing at Penrose as well. I'm 15 minutes out. Over.
Copy. You going to flick your other radio on set 38?
Okay, I'm going to
in.
pause it. And what's interesting, and I don't mean to be negative or anything or diminutive, is it's very interesting to listen to. The Australians services, EMS, fire, police, are very open, shall I say, where if you're listening to the police, fire, and EMS in the United States, they use a whole bunch of codes. Their transmissions are real short. So you don't, unless you're listening real close, you don't know exactly what's going on. So to me, it's interesting, even though it's a disaster right now, to listen to these communications over in Australia of the people that are dealing with these fires. And I just thought I'd let you know, again, it's really sad this is going on, and they're really, really struggling. I kind of, heard on the news a couple of times over the past couple of months, and I thought, well, okay, they probably got it under control now and it's over, because I haven't heard much on the news. Well, it's gotten worse. And I know I have a number of subscribers that listen to my shows from that area, and I really feel for you guys that are struggling right now, and the best to you, and hope these things finally get taken care of. But if you're interested in listening, this is one way to listen. Or there's many applications on your cell phones, on your tablets, and on your computer. You can listen to these stations. And this is just one of them. And the other thing is you can resize this so it's not taking up so much screen. Let me grab that little handle here. And then you can open another one, even from a different area. Like let me go back here. I can go back, and let's see another one. Oh, here's one right here. It's 2000. So I can go to that one, find out there's right at the top. That's 2000, and so I can start that one. And now both of those are playing at the same time. Let me move this over, and you can open as many of these as your computer can handle. Let me resize this, and then I can open the other one. So here's two of them running at the same time. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that.
Yeah, Benji7, pass your blue message.
Okay, let's go back. Didn't mean to click on the ad.
Welcome. Do you have an additional tanker you send up to 348 Meadows Road?
I'm trying.
We have a fire
Trying to grab this
about
window.
to impinge on the back of the
Yeah,
property.
grab this one.
Flame height
I'll try to move these side by side.
now between 2 and 3 meters. Spreading fairly
Yeah.
rapidly
I've got this one
to the
paused,
west.
so I'm only hearing this one right here now. I can unpause this one. Now both of them are coming through. Now on some versions of Windows, you can use a flash player. And the flash player gives you this little audio graph that gives you a visual indication that there's activity. And on my other computer, it doesn't seem to work on this computer. That gives me an indication which of the two or three radios I have open on open window like this is active. Where here there's no indication where the sound is coming from. So that's just another little feature or quirk, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, I really feel for the people in Australia. Hope they get things under control. And thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye-bye.